I love you, Daddy.
No.
Did you have a good Christmas?
No.
Do you love your mommy?
No.
Do you love your daddy?
No, no, no.
Do you love your Uncle Jonathan?
No.
Do you love your grandparents?
No, no, no.
Do you want $1 million?
No, no.
Do you love your Duffy?
No, no.
Do you want to go night-night?
No, no.
Do you love bath time?
No, no.
Is there anything you like?
No. It's not good for me. It's good for my friends. I don't go there anymore because it's not fun for me. I don't want to go there. It's not fun for me at all. It's for my friends, not for me.
Yeah, but all children get
But I don't know, I can't do it anymore. I need now, and then I can't do it anymore. I don't want to go there. It's not fun at all. But I don't want to go. Okay, Mom, I don't want to go to school because it's not fun for me.
Alright, you ready, buddy?
He's gonna do it.
Okay, here you go, buddy. You ready?
Yeah, eat it.
Alright. Put it in your mouth. Told you it was really sour, didn't we? Is it good? It's not good. Oh, super sour, huh?
And what you said you were going to do to him if he came here.
I said I'm going to kick his ass.
Oh. That's not nice.
If he's gonna come in here, he's gonna kick my ass.
He will?
Yeah. He'll come out in the movie. He will come out and kick my ass.
Okay.
And I can kick his ass.
Okay. But that's not a nice word. You should say kick his butt.
Oh.
Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside it's just a little empty. It's okay to say you got a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Attitude.
baby. Silly baby. Does Mommy's nose scare you when I blow it? Does that scare you when Mommy blows her nose? Yeah? Silly baby.
Acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes.